Welcome to 554 Maguire, a classic brick two-story home with statement pillars and a grand entrance. Step into the modern interior with incredibly high ceilings and dramatic light pieces. On the first floor there's a powder room, as well as a dining room with room for an 8-person table, plenty of space to entertain. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances such as a gas range with a hood and a stainless steel double-doored fridge. The kitchen has a sliding door for easy access to the backyard. There is also a large island. The sitting room has plenty of windows and a stately gas fireplace. There's enough room for multiple couches and chairs. The second floor of this home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The bedrooms are all carpeted aside from the large master bedroom. All of the bathrooms have bright white finishes and modern fixtures. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet with built-in racks for all of your clothing. Next to the master bedroom is a 5-piece bath with a tub, a standing shower with a rain head, and dual sinks. Enough space for 2 people to fit comfortably. The basement has an additional 2 bedrooms, a full bath, as well as a rough-in kitchen with outdoor access. Thank you for viewing 554 Maguire, presented by Margaret Chien.